Our first step here is to unhook the line here. It's the pilot lighter. So right there, we're going to remove that. That'll be our first step. And to remove that, we'll use this. Notice it's a 3/8 inch there. 3/8 inch. So after loosening this, we can take that right out of there. Well, that's the next step then is to remove the pilot gas connection here, right there. So to remove this, I use a crescent wrench, a vice grip. So there we go. We unhook the pilot gas connection now. It's in there, right there. We just pull that out of there and replace it with a new one. Now here's the pilot unit. I've wiggled it out of there. That's your pilot light right there. Let's loosen that out and get that out. Replace this now. So here I got a 30-inch thermocouple. This will replace that old one now. Nice price for this, about $8 plus taxes, about $9 total for this thermocouple. And this is the one we need here. This is the universal. This is a Honeywell one, but this will fit the old one. So we're gonna put this in now and see what happens. Now you want to assemble your new pieces. You see a little washer piece there, and then your clamp right there. You put them all together, and you're gonna bolt this bolt into here. Get it all set, and you're ready to finish it off. So once we got it all tightened down, got it all tightened. There you go, that's the burner. Then we tighten all our gas lines back up right there. That's the pilot light gas outlet. So we tighten that back up. And tighten connected there. That's all connected now. Now all we have to do is test the furnace to see if that solves our problem. That's what we're gonna do now. So let's turn on the gas right there. Then we will turn on our pilot light right there. So there we are. Our pilot is working now with the replacement thermocouple. So we solve our problem now. Our furnace should light right up. There it is. Pilot's lit. And now we fired up the furnace. As you can see, everything is working perfectly. It's getting hot here. So that's how we replace a thermocouple to get our furnace heating up again. Hope you enjoyed it.